Now we will see what is a right angle triangle. The right angle, see, 90 degrees. The angle having 90 degrees is called as a right angle. At the same time, if it is less than 90 degrees, it is called as acute angle. I am telling you two things, my dear children. If it is having 90 degrees, it is called as right angle. If it is less than 90 degrees, it is called as acute angle. Okay? Clockwise rotation. How our clock rotates is called as clockwise rotation. Okay? Contradictory to this is called as anti-clockwise. Okay? First observe, this is called as clockwise rotation. How the clock rotates is called as clockwise rotation. I am telling you some terminology before going to the actual exercises. Now anti-clockwise rotation. See, this way of rotation is called as anti-clockwise. If you can observe, see, it is coming in this direction, is called as anti-clockwise direction. This is known as anti-clockwise direction. Okay? Next, we will see exercise 5.2. First problem. What fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand of a clock turn through when it goes from 3 to 9? From 3 o'clock to 9 o'clock, if it is moving, okay, what fraction of a clockwise revolution does the hour hand? The simple logic is 9 minus 3 is equals to 6 divided by 12. That is half of a revolution. Okay? Next, 4 to 7 o'clock. So 7 minus 4 is equals to 3 divided by 12 is equals to 1/4 of revolution. Next, 7 to 10. It is again 10 minus 7 is equals to 3 divided by 12 is equals to 1/4 of a revolution. 12 to 9, that is 0 to 9. If you can observe in the clock, 12 to 9. So 9 minus 0, that is 9 by 12 divided by 9 by 12 is equals to 3 by 4th of a revolution. One to 10. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9 divided by 12. This is equals to 3 by 4th of a revolution. 6 to 3. That means 6 to 12 and then 12 to 3. Okay? 6 to 12 and then 12 to 3. 6 to 12 is equals to 12 minus 6, that is equals to 6, and 12 to 3 is 0 to 3, that is 3 minus 0 is equals to 6 plus 3, that is 9. 9 divided by 12 is equal to 3 by 4th of a revolution. Second question. Where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12? For example, where will the hand of a clock stop if it starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution clockwise? Okay, see, this is the clock. It makes half of a revolution. So where it will stop? It stop at 6 o'clock. Half of the revolution. Okay. Next, starting from 2 and making half of a revolution, the clock hand stops at 8. From here to half revolution. So it stops at 8. C. Starts at 5 and makes 1/4 of a revolution clockwise. Starts at 5 and makes 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it stops at 8. Okay? Starts at 5 and makes 3/4 of a revolution. Starts at 5, 3/4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it stops at 2 because it makes 3/4 of the revolution. Okay, if you can make 1/4, 3/4 plus 1/4 is completely 12 hours. Okay, which direction will you face? If you start facing east, you have to start facing east and make half of a revolution clockwise, and east and make one and a half revolution clockwise, and west we will see. See, this is west side, east side, north and south. East and make half of a revolution clockwise means like this. Okay, and next make 1.5 revolution means one complete revolution up to here, and again here half of the revolution. Next, for C, 3/4 of revolution. 3/4. Here it is. It covered 1/4. It left with 1/4. Okay. So here the answer is west. Here the answer is west, and here the answer is north. Okay. South, and again he has to face south and make one full revolution. Starts from south and one full revolution. So it will go for east. What part of a revolution have you turned through if you stand facing east and turn clockwise? We will see. See this one. If we start from east, from here, okay, and turn at north, turning 3/4 of a revolution, if you observe. So 3/4 of revolution is required. Okay. What part of means 3/4 to face north. Second one, you have to stand at south. South. Start from south and turn clockwise to face east. Here again it is a 3/4. So 3/4 revolution, 3/4 turn has to required. West. Again you have to start at west. So and you have to face east. So you have to go for half of a revolution. Half of the revolution is required. See the picture clearly. Question number 5. Find the number of right angles turned through by the hour hand of a clock when it goes from 3 to 6. 3 to 6. Starting from 3 and ending at 6, the hour hand, okay, turns through one right angle. If you can observe, this is one right angle. Next, 2 to 8, we will see from 2 to 8. So this seems as 180 degrees. So 180 degrees means it has two right angles. Because 180 degrees is 90 plus 90, so two right angles. 5 to 11. 5 to 11. Again it is 180 degrees. That means two right angles. Because two right angles, 2 into 90 is equals to 180. 10 to 1. 10 to 1. So it is again only one right angle. See, the our hand makes 90 degrees here. So it is only one right angle. 12 to 9. 12 to 9. Again, how many right angles? 12 to 6. It is two right angles because it is having 180 degrees. Question number 6. How many right angles do you make if you start facing first one south and turn clockwise to west? South and turning clockwise to west. Okay, one right angle is the answer. Okay, and again starts from north to east. How many? Three right angles. One, two, three. Three right angles. And west and turn to west. Oh, so here you have to cover the complete revolution. The complete revolution is 360 degrees. So automatically the answer is four right angles. 4 into 90, 360. Next, south and turn to north. South and turn to north. This angle is 180 degrees if you observe. So it is two right angles. That is 2 into 90 degrees, two right angles. Okay. Observe clearly. Seventh question. Where will be the hour hand of a clock stops if it starts from 6 and turn through one right angle? It starts at 6 and stops at one right angle. So it stops at 9. 9 o'clock. Okay, stops at 9. From 8, it starts from 8 and turns two right angles. We will see. Two right angles. So this is 180 degrees. So 2 o'clock. So it marks 2 towards 2. Okay, because it is having two right angles 180 degrees. Question C. From 10 and turns three right angles. Okay, starting from 10 and turning three right angles, the hour hand stops at 7. And D. From 7 it turns two right angles. I'm sorry, two straight angles. That means straight angles means 180 degrees. So 182 into 180 360. So it will come to the same position because 360 degrees. Okay, so it stops at 7 only. It will turn to 7. It will return to two straight angles. 2 into 180 360 degrees. It will come to the original position. With this we have completed this exercise. Thank you.